All right, another kick butt day involving the Save Club. All right, I hope you guys are looking into it for real. If you're watching my videos, maybe you have already joined or you're just kicking tires, looking for reviews or is it legit? I love the scam ones. Those are the best. People that can't even afford to join to actually look into it to see if it is a scam. They're usually in their closet, with their webcam on, trying to make money by bad mouthing opportunities. Well, you know what? If you don't have a pot to piss in, and if you can't join, and you gotta feel the need to make a scam video, just stay in the closet there, kid. All right, just stay in there and badmouth all you want, because a lot of people, and we're talking thousands of people per day right now, are joining Save Club. Okay, the ownership, which I found out behind the scenes, is quite awesome. All right, I know them quite well, and I'm a huge fan. Okay, of the infrastructure, how they process the credit cards, how they pay. Okay, I love just the opportunity alone to save money. So if you have 1997, you can scan hundreds of thousands and eventually millions of products and services, okay, worldwide, by the way. Okay, there's not a day that goes by that someone from outside of America asks, well, is Save Club gonna, is it cool Philippines? Singapore? How about us down under, bro? Hi, mate, in Australia. Okay? Yes. All right, listening to Charlie. All right? His name is Charles, and it's Mao. I like to call him Mooey, because like a Muay Thai. But his last name is Mao. All right. Listening to our founder, he just says week by week, there's going to be massive billion-dollar companies, million-dollar companies, and just nice local businesses. For example, I live in Salt Lake City. I've already got local car washes. My friend owns a tanning salon. Okay, I love seeing small businesses belong to Save Club. Okay, because there's going to be at one point millions and millions. I have no doubt in the next couple of years there will be millions of people, okay, joined. And they're going to look for deals all over the place. All you do is just put in a simple zip code. Okay, I live in Utah, so I just put in a zip code anywhere. Utah, where I live in Salt Lake, it's like a 15-mile circle. And all around us is just massive mountains. Okay? And if I just look 5 miles here, across the street there, go 10 miles down the street, go up. I live at the bottom of Mount Olympus. In 30 minutes, Park City, Deer Valley. And if I just go a little bit down where Post Malone lives, I go up the canyon there to Brighton and Solitude. I go one more canyon down, and guys, this is within an hour of where I live. Snowbird Ski Resort, Alta. Okay, is there going to be deals on ski equipment, ski poles? Okay, we're going into summer now, so everyone's putting all that stuff away. And what I like about Save Club is if you look and there's savings on ski equipment, snow equipment, it's usually cheaper in the summer. Okay, because everyone's now doing canoeing and water skiing, not snow skiing. So you're probably going to save just because you're buying snow equipment in the summer, but then you log into Save Club and just save on that equipment as well. All right, get 2 times the savings. All right, Walmart, I go there all the time. Discount Tire, I got to go and pick up new tires for my Hummer. I always mention my friends' car washes. All right, I'm a big fan of just detailing vehicles. I love it. I've been addicted to cleaning and hanging things on walls for as long as I can remember. Okay. The food, just food alone. Okay. And the other day I just spent $512.37 because I posted about it. I had 2 full carts of food and I start to eat healthier and oh my God, my food bill's way more now. Okay. And I still have like food considered junky, like cereal. You can see, there might be some stuff on my mini fridge over there, but I eat pretty good until the weekends. Then I get with my friends and I really screw it up. Okay? But with tariffs scaring everybody, where the costs of living, time will tell. Give it another month or 2 and we'll see, is gas more? Just to scoot around. Okay? To go boating, to go driving. All right? If you have electric cars, I guess you don't have to worry about that, but your electric bill might go up. Who knows? Time will tell. It always does. And if the cost of living goes up, we're still going to be okay. All right, but wouldn't it be nice to know that we can just earn more money? Okay, so we're going to save money by joining Save Club. I have no doubt. I'm very confident. I can't promise you that, but I really think that if you join, you're going to save anywhere from 50 to $100 a month on things you're already buying. So if the tariffs come and jack up prices for a while, and I have no doubt that the economy, your stocks, your 401k, guys, it's a roller coaster. It's been this way for 55,000 years. Okay? I'm not going to freak out. I'm just going to simply earn extra money, and I want to earn a lot of money because earning extra, a side hustle, and earning a substantial amount, to me, it's the same effort at this point. You just got to know what's selling, what you got cooking there, kid. All right, is it delicious? Okay, if you have like a crappy hot dog, maybe you can sell it for 25 cents. But if you have a juicy steak, yum, maybe you can sell it for a lot more. Okay, I like to sell things that are considered juicy steaks. Or if you're a vegan or a vegetarian, a big juicy green bean. Okay, or just a big bowl of grass with a yummy, delicious cup of water. All right, everybody eats differently than me, but I really like to offer people a nice, really valuable opportunity. And I believe that Save Club is it. You can earn money if you want to be an affiliate, but it's up to you. You can join for the $19.97, $20 minus 3 pennies, guys, and go ahead and save money. But if you want to have a chance to earn money like I'm doing, and many of my other friends that are having great success, okay, $60. Do you have three $20 bills? I have my wallet in the other room. I just want to hold up three $20 bills and go, guys, please invest this in yourself, and then let's get a couple signups real quick. So you get your money back quick. And then let's go ahead and get you a stack of cash so that your whole year of 1997 times 12, whatever that is, a couple $100. Let's just get that out of the way. Okay? Because when you join, the first thing you're going to do is go through the back office and just search around and get comfortable. Then you're going to learn how to search for deals worldwide. And they're going to be, it's going to be a bigger search. Okay? Instead of like a pond of water, okay, we're about here right now. Give it till June 1st. All right? And then by June 1st, let's say of next year, 2026, all right, that pond that we're fishing in for deals, it's going to start looking like, wow, this is like a damn ocean at this point. Because we're going to go across oceans. We're going to go over to UK, save money, the Indian Ocean. Let's cruise over there. What's Malaysia, Singapore, Japan, China? All right, we go over by Hawaii. What's the Pacific Ocean doing? There's a few countries just in the middle. Okay, there's even little Hawaii. They want deals. Hell yeah, it's actually expensive to live in Hawaii. Okay, I'm from California. There's no deals there, I'll guarantee you that. I live in Utah now, which is awesome. This is kind of an affordable state. That's why I love it here. But boy, oh boy, wherever you go, the cost of living is going to go up. And right now you're going to hear tariff, tariff, tariff. Okay, oh my God, everything's going to be expensive. Okay, if it is, what are we going to do about it? Let's just earn more money. Honestly, let's not freak out and just go bitch, bitch, moan, moan. Why don't you just join Save Club and save on things you're already buying? That way it'll buffer if the tariffs do really make a dent in your budget. But I'll tell you what, if you have those three extra $20 bills, will you please just do it now? Right now, as I produce this video, I got to look. It's 5/5. It's Cinco de Mayo. All right, we got big parties all over Utah. All right, Cinco de Mayo is real popular here. I'm going to go down to the nightclub that I'm helping remodel and restructuring and doing massive parties throughout summer. Boy, what do you see the parties that I do? All right, I've been in radio most of my life, and I've owned 4 nightclubs. My background is not guru, where I talk about Save Club and getting in shape and saving money and 1 equals 2 and the downline and the matrix with the Kotex and man, I don't even know. But I'm good at inviting people to just watch a video about something that I believe in. And at the end of the day, that's all I can do. It's all up to you. Do you got $60? Do you have 1997? I sure hope you do. And if you want to join now, oh, high five. But in the next 3 weeks, I'm not going to say that, oh, Debbie Downer, I'm just Cory the crybaby. But by June 1st, it's ready, set, go. Worldwide. Save Club is going to just try to get in top gear. I like manual transmissions in my race cars. Usually I have 6 gears. Okay, by June 1st, okay, we're getting going. We're cruising right now. Because you have a 3-week advantage. Okay, I think there's 30 days in May, isn't there? So Let's see, we got about 25 days as I look at my calendar. We've got one hell of an advantage. Let's go ahead and get people pre-enrolled. Let's build yourself a nice little team, a little group of people, and you might not even ever meet them. Me, I always write people, email, how you doing? What's your name, Bob? Bob, high five. Thanks for choosing me to join. What are you good at? What are you not good at? What are you scared at? Okay, let's find something that you like so we can help you duplicate. And if people sign up under Bob, great. And so on, and on to the break of dawn. All right, we have a 2x16 matrix. So if someone signs up underneath me, I still got 14 levels that I really genuinely care about underneath them, underneath you. Okay, so what I like to do is just analyze what is best for you. And let's figure it out. That way you're not nervous and you feel like you got a good chance. Your tires are warm. And man, you just shoot off that drag race line and you have 1 or 2 car lengths ahead. And in this case, you got 25 days ahead of planet Earth. Because by June 1st, everyone's going to know about this. Okay? And right now, leaders, gurus, people that really want a chance of making a darn good living by doing the same thing after June 1st. Because we all kind of promote the same. But it is different when you have your fishing pole, it's 5 in the morning, and not one person is fishing in that pond yet full of fish. They're just hungry. They're dying to snack on a worm. And man, you got such an advantage because it's 5 a.m. and no one's even there yet. But by 6, 7 o'clock, wonder if you got 100 other fishermen, fisherwomen, fisher peeps. Okay? You know what I'm trying to get at, right? Because I don't. But I love the 25-day head start. I started like 10 days ago, and so far so good. I'm going on 50 signups. I think in the next month I'll probably have 100, and then I'm helping people duplicate. And I'm actually having more success with Save Club than Live Good. Okay, I got well over 400 and something people signed up in Live Good, but I think a lot of people complicated it. All you got to do is just invite people to watch a link. Please don't overanalyze it. Okay, I'll show you real quick. I like my videos to be 10, 15, or 20 minutes, and I appreciate your time. But right now, I'm just really good at doing this. Inviting you to ilovesaveclub.com. That's it. ilovesaveclub.com. Just click it. You're going to go to a capture page. I'll show you. You get this too, by the way. So let's just put in I Love Save Clubby. Okay, now look at my screen. This is your screen too. If you join for $60, you have the exact same website, except you're going to put your name or business there instead of where I put mine, Cory Draper. People watch this video. That's it. Done. And if they're in, they're in. They're out, they're out. If you're out, you just delete, hit that little X, and you're gone. All right? Go play solitaire on your computer. But if you want more information, fill this section out here that I'm circling. Or if you want to join, same thing. Hit that orange button. Open up your email. And you're just going to get an email from Save Club. Just follow the instructions and join. Get your username, password, set up your bank. We even take crypto. And then go through the whole back office and just have a great time, okay? Well, right now it's just, it's early. Right now, let's see. Okay, there. Okay, it looks like I already have 2 people pre-enrolled. So yeah, maybe this afternoon or this evening, I'll get 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like every day I've been averaging anywhere from 1 to 4 to 6 people that have actually said, screw it, I'm signing up. I'm going to have some faith. I'm just going to get out those 3 $20 bills and join. Then do the $19.97 a month and just go right here where it says My Deals. Guys, just click it and go crazy. Check out all the deals. For real, just put in your zip code. Okay, put in, whoop. There we go. I got a, see right there, I put 84120. Okay, that's a Salt Lake City Zippy. Okay, and it just shows local deals, big deals from Progressive to massive auto savings, tanning salons, food, travel, flights, hotel accommodations in Vegas, anywhere. If you go to Florida, look, you got Disney World to Disneyland, right down to, I'm actually, because I'm an older guy, I like Universal better than Disneyland because it's more kid-oriented, right? But yeah, there's a Safeco, Progressive, Travelers. All right, it's Mother's Day in a week or so, and get her some posies. All right, moms like the roses and chocolates. All right, but look at all the savings. Look, HelloFresh if you're more healthy. All right, maybe you can send your mom that. Vistaprint is where I get all my business cards. Look at this. Enjoy 10 to 100 off to 20 to 150 off. Well, guess what? Every time I show my business card, guess where I get them? Vistaprint. I spend like 20 bucks, big old box of cards, and I'll never go through all these, but I just hand them out on a street level. Cory, what are you doing? What's Save what? Save who? Well, it's Save Club, guys. Just go to ilovesaveclub.com. There's my email. Get a hold of me after, but please, I'm not going to talk about Save Club. Let's talk about anything. Your mom, how's she doing? How's the weather? How's your new car? How's your new motorcycle? All right, how's the kids doing? I don't talk business. My attention span, and trust me, if all my friends were right here on video with me, they're like, yeah, Cory talks business about 10 seconds and then changes the subject. Because right now I don't want to waste time. I want you to watch the little video, okay, and put your name in if you want more information. And then if you want to get a hold of me, there it is, Cory at CoryDraper.com, and I'll do everything I can to help you, okay? And a lot of people I help aren't even signed up in my group. They signed up under someone else, but they see my videos. And that's okay, guys. It makes me feel good if I can help you. But it's simple. What I do is I just buy the domain, ilovesaveclub.com. I get my business cards at Vistaprint. You can see right there. If you join, look, click that. All right, get some savings. That's just the service you get when you join right there. Look at it right there on the top left, Save Club. All right, but let's earn money as an affiliate. Okay, let's get out to $79.97. If you got 80 bucks minus 3 pennies. All right, you're done for the year, guys. You paid the 60 bucks. You are done. And now just do that $19.97. But let's make sure you save 50 to 100 bucks or more on things you're already buying. That'll make you feel good. Even if you don't want to be an affiliate, save money. Just be smart. And like I said, with tariffs scaring everybody right now, as of May 5th of 2025, there's a lot of fives in the date I just realized. It's 5/5 of 25. Okay? But right now, let's just celebrate our freedom. We have good health. Hopefully everything's going great for you. It's Cinco de Mayo here in America. All right, and Mexico, and I don't know, maybe the whole world's rocking. It gives you a good a good chance to drink and eat and be merry. Okay, so have a good day today. And like I said, if you need to get a hold of me, go ahead. But I please, please, please want you to go to the I Love, and I just show everyone on my video. Because sometimes if you see my video first, you're just comfortable when you do get to this page. Watch this YouTube video. It's only 5-6 minutes. It's by our founder. All right, it's Charles Mao. And check it out. All right, he's a good cat. I think he lives in Vegas, my second home. Fill out your information here, hit that orange button, and that's it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right, and thanks for the last 18 minutes of your life, okay, guys? I'm a big fan of Save Club. I think if you join now the next 3 weeks, it's going to be really nice for you folks, okay? But let's get you in by June 1st, okay? Let's just bring together planet Earth and have just nice groups of people, just big teams, okay? And just generate some of this for you guys, okay? Nothing wrong with that. Okay. Thanks, guys. I got to go drink now. I just realized I'm thirsty and I got to pee. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Take it easy. Bye.